Hey, what's up, everybody? Okay, it is Orium, the thun-der-der cat. I'm here to talk to you guys. I'm new to this, kinda. I'm just sitting here, doing nothing, on my computer, in my underwear, and my floral jacket. I have nothing else to do except for make this and make love to probably some squirrels. Um, I'm just here to talk to you guys about some things I do in my life. Talk to you guys about what this adventure with you guys is going to be about. This I should just list what this video is about right now. It's sponsored by Harry Potter. You might think it's the whole Harry Potter. It's just this book. Because I don't like any other book. I've never read this. It just has a cool little swirly text right here. That's why I like it. The second thing is the dictionary for children. Yeah. It's one of my favorite. I love reading this right before I go to bed. And yeah. My other ones that I don't have with me are Aqua Fresh. Because, I brush my teeth. Yeah. Oh. I'm also sponsored by Elmer's Glue. The no run kind. Because no one wants to run. Never run with glue, kids. Scissors is fine, just not glue. You might glue yourself. Yeah. I think that's all. So, let me just list a couple of my music selections I like. I like, Maroon 5, heavy metal, hardcore, love it. Very inspirational. Justin Bieber, Taylor Swift, Selena Gomez, Cody Simpson. My favorite, top 5. I listen to them when I work out because it's inspirational. I just love them. It gets me pumped up, especially Baby by Selena Gomez. That's my favorite. I love chapstick. I eat chapstick on the daily. So let me just ask a couple questions about you guys. Do you guys think that cliffhangers, cliffhangers, like when you're reading a book and it leaves you on a question, you think those are fun? Do you? Just ask.